Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Allie, and for those of you that do know me now, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate it. Before I continue, I would like to remind you guys, if you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, you will be getting more videos from me, from like a lot of different subscriptions that I have. After time, as boxes come out, I kind of am addicted into like buying subscription boxes. When I see a new one come out, I want to get it right away. Like for example, the moment I saw that Trend Mood posted something about her having a subscription box, I right away put my email in so then I can get notifications as more information becomes available, so then I can possibly get that box too. Let me know what you guys think about getting another subscription box added to my channel. But for now, the one that we have for this video is our Ipsy Glam Bag subscription, and this one just recently went through a whole subscription revamp kind of thing. They changed their packaging, they changed the color. This used to be a darker like tone of pink, and their letters were white. Now they're nice and colorful, so this is their new look. This one here, for those of you that don't know, you get deluxe size products, and you get deluxe size products along with a cosmetic bag, and you're paying $12 a month now. It used to be $10, but it just recently went up. So now this one is $12 a month, but I believe you get to choose at least one product that goes into your bag. So if you have the app, which I highly recommend to download, you can go and do it on there. You can also track it and do everything else from that app. So I really recommend for you guys to get that app. So this is the bag that we have for this month. Is Betty Boop's face. And then back here you just have black sequins. They just did a collaboration, or I think it's a collaboration with Betty Boop, or yeah, it says Betty Boop and Ipsy. So they had this whole thing, and so they have different cosmetic bags that, you know, they're using in their boxes. So like always, you get a little pamphlet just giving you information and tips on what you have in here. So that is the pamphlet there, and I'm just gonna start taking out this first one here, and it is from First Aid Beauty, and they are the facial radiance pads. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And First Aid Beauty, I really like them because they make things for people for sensitive skin, which is me. And my skin is so sensitive that anything will turn it red, and right after that I will for sure get a breakout, and that's anywhere on my face all the time. So I have to be careful with the things that I use. So I got some of these here, and I really, like I said, I really like their stuff because it's made for my skin. So that is our first item. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one here. It has a little bit of a weight to it, and this one, it is from Botanic Beauty. I'm assuming it's something with green. I'm assuming it's something with like a green kind of beauty, like organic. That's just what I'm getting from the name. I'm trying to open it here. Okay, so what we have here, it is a lip and cheek balm. Oh, okay. So it is a cream product there, and it is a nice pink, and it says lip and cheek. So let's see. I don't like to put cream products on my cheeks just because my skin is already really oily, and this one almost feels like a tinted chapstick. So that is it there. So I see this working for your lips. As far as my cheeks though, I'm not too sure, just because it does feel like you're putting on almost like a chapstick. So I can see this reacting with my skin and then just making me a lot more oily than what I am. But as far as the lips, I think this is actually a really nice color that I do see myself using. It's just a nice natural pink tint for your lips. So this is really, really nice. So that is product number 2. Let's see what else we have in here. We have 3 items left. So I'll take this one out just because we get this one so often in all of our subscriptions, and it is from Believe, and it is a True Cream Aqua Bomb. I have maybe like 4 or 5 of these, and I'm not kidding. We get these really, really often in our subscription boxes that, doesn't excite me anymore. So 3rd item, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it aside. And this one, it just says it just says increased hydration level, and it is dermatologically tested. So I guess it's supposed to improve your skin hydration level by 70%. That's what I'm getting off of this. So I mean, it's a really good cream. It's just that we get it so often, and that's not my everyday moisturizer that I use. So then I'm gonna grab this one here, and it is, I can smell it. It is a nail polish, and it's part of their collaboration with Betty Boop. That is the packaging there. And let's see the color. That's a pretty color. It is like a berryish, reddish, metallic color. Let me see if I can put it on here, just because I can't put it on my nail, so you guys can see the actual color. So that on there is 1 coat of this nail polish. It's really nice. It's actually a really, really nice color. So that is it there. So and then that's just 1 coat. Obviously, if you put 2 or even 3 coats, it's gonna look even prettier because it's gonna intensify the color. So that is our fourth 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So we are down to our very, very last one. It is something from NYX. I think it's NYX or NYX. I don't know. I always call it NYX. But sometimes I hear people calling it NYX, and I'm like, well, doesn't that pretty much just spell NYX? Why wouldn't you just call it NYX? But I think it's NYX, and it is a lip cream, and the color, do I have a color? Copenhagen? I don't know if the letters are too small for you guys to see it, but that is it there. And it is a really nice dark burgundy color. So let's see, hopefully the color is the same. Oh, that is really, really pretty. So let me swatch it on here. That is the color there. It's really, really nice. It's I think it's supposed to dry down matte. Right now I just applied it to the back of my hand. But I'm sure once it dries down, it will dry down matte. It's a really, really nice color. The one thing that I'm seeing though is that what might be a problem is getting an even coat, just because the color itself is really, really dark. A lot of the times what happens with these colors is it's kind of hard to get an even coat across your lips, so it kind of looks a little bit patchy. But this formula feels very, very soft, and I kind of got a good coat on there. I just don't know if maybe on your lips it'll be a little bit different, but this is a really, really nice color, perfect for the fall. So that was our last item from our bag. Let me know what you guys think. I liked the nail polish. I liked this lip and cheek thing that I will most likely just use on my lips, and this matte color here. The only one that I wasn't too excited about was this Believe Aqua Bomb, just because we get it so often. I honestly don't know why we get it so often, but this is the only thing that I was like about, just because like I said, I have maybe like 4 or 5 sitting in there. But everything else, I think they were pretty good items. For $12, now that the price went up, let me know what you guys think. I know for $10 these items weren't bad, but now that it's $12 plus tax, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that it's still worth it? Let me know down in the comments below. So that is all from me for today. We went through all of our items from our bag. Like I said, let me know what you guys think, and I will be done for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I will see you guys all back here next time. Bye.